Hello and welcome to Circulate by CDA with me, Stuart Aldis. Today I'm going to be talking about what's called a 301 redirect. It's a major part of launching a new website when replacing an old website. Why has it got a strange name such as a 301? I have no idea, someone came up with that years ago. But the important thing is to explain what a 301 redirect is. Imagine you've got a website and you've got all your pages on the website and you decide one day you're going to update your website, create a new shiny website that's more interactive and hopefully hits your business objectives better. All of the URLs that are currently indexed on your website will be indexed with Google. So imagine you've got a page, let's say it's yourdomainname.com/about us. Google has that indexed. Imagine your new website is not called About Us, it's yourdomainname.com/get in touch. Well, Google needs to know that you've gone from this URL to this URL. It's a lookup table, and all a 301 redirect is to say to Google, hey Google, this used to be the URL, this is the new URL. It's so important because it's taken you years to build up your history with Google and for Google to index your web pages. If you go live and the URL of a page has changed, then when someone goes to that page, they're going to get what's called a 404 error, which basically says page can't be displayed. If Google starts identifying pages can't be displayed because of broken links, then it's going to go against you in your organic search rankings. So the easy thing to do is what's called a 301 redirect. If you want to know how much or how many pages Google's actually indexed on your website, if you go to your address bar and just type site, S-I-T-E, / and your domain name, it will tell you how many pages Google has indexed on your website. And it's a great way to start your 301 redirect script. If you'd like to know any more information about how to redirect traffic or search engine friendliness as a whole, then please feel free to get in touch. I'm glad to help. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, if you're doing a new website, 301 it. Thanks very much for watching.